Helloooimjensen. What's going on, guys? So if you saw the last video, then you saw that I kind of broke it. Not really broke it. It kind of was already broken. Broke the steering rack. So having Cisco order one from O'Reilly's. A good thing about these damn LS cars and Chevys, which I'm really thankful for, because parts for this car are really expensive. Parts for that car, not so expensive. So a steering rack for this thing is gonna be at least like $1,200–$1,300. Steering rack for that thing, $150. So ordered one, that's gonna come at like 2:30 today. So we'll get that fixed and then we'll go to a car meet, and that'll be the first car meet that I've ever taken this thing to. I'm excited. We'll get people's reactions and stuff. Hopefully we get some good reactions. I'm just juiced to take it to a car meet. It's gonna be its first car meet. Anyway, let's hop in, give her a cold start, and then I'm gonna drive it a little bit and show you guys how bad this steering rack really is before we replace it. Update on this thing, waiting on the clutch to get made, hopefully going to come this week. He sent me these pictures of the flywheel being made. Looks amazing. So shout out to Mantic Clutches, shout out to Jeff for working on that thing, busting his butt. I know he's trying everything possible to get that thing done as fast as possible, so shout out to him. But yeah, that's the update, waiting on the clutch, and then we're gonna get started on the manual swap on the Charger. So stay tuned for that. But let's hop in this thing, get going, come on. All right, to show you guys how bad this steering rack is, it's got a lot of play in it. Like, it turns and stuff when you want, but it's just like that center section, there's a lot of wiggle room in there. So we'll get all this taken care of today. Like, this is straight. The wheels aren't even really moving. It's just like the steering rack is moving. That's why I haven't done too many donuts in this thing. It's a little sketchy right now, but she's a project. You see, it's all over the place. It almost feels worse after we got an alignment done. Definitely need to take care of this shit before we rip it some more. But I just wanted to show you guys what this thing looks like when you're driving. Okay, update. O'Reilly's did not come through with the 2:30 delivery like they were promising. So gonna have to install the steering rack tomorrow, so I'll just have to put up with it today. We are on our way to a little Rides by the Bay car meet. My boy G in the LS swap step side is beating us over there. Hopefully there's gonna be a bunch of dope builds, so let's go check it out. First car meet with the turbo F-body. Let's get it. What's up, fool? Let's go see what's going on. Good ass. Good AC compressor. Oh. The other day I was ripping this thing with Rob back to back pulls. Never got over 200. Really? Never got over 200.
Like, rips or what?
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. This thing's fun as fuck.
I might be parking my shit in the garage, dude.
No, we just gotta get a turbo on your shit. Turbo in the truck would be crazy.
Crazy, dude.
Mine?
Wait, the engine sits back in there like that?
Yep. That's the first thing I said when I bought this thing. I was like, it sits so far back here.
Science, dude.
Science? Can't do science project with this thing. Hell no.
Oh shit. Put this motherfucker on.
You ready? Take my dog G for a quick little rip.
Yes, sir.
Trying to make sure your seatbelt works. What are you, scared?
Yeah, what is this?
That's not the oh shit handle. Rob said that too. He's like, someone's gonna grab that. Is the oh shit handle? That's the T-top handle.
Yeah, don't pop
That bitch just gonna. Gets it, dog.
This thing's rowdy, dude.
She's fucking fun, dog.
Oh my god, dude. I like it.
Stock suspension's a little mangy. What do you think?
Dude, I think I need one. You know what I mean? Like, dude,
Oh, fuck. Every time I get in this car.
the adrenaline is fucking unreal in this thing, dude.
1 out of 10?
A 10.
10?
And, like, if you gave me a higher scale, I'd probably go higher. You know, like, because I rode with you in the 5.0.
Yeah.
That scared me too. Like,
That was just around the block real
that
quick.
was just around the block. No, this is rowdy, dude. It's almost like, why? You know,
Almost like, why? Why did he do that?
Why does it need that? Wow, dude.
Should I give it to him? I love this fucking car. How's this thing running?
It's going good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I need tires, dude.
Yeah?
For sure.
Good steps on.
Good steps on.
You gotta got my guy SR Garage here. What's going on, dog?
What's happening?
So,
It's been a while.
yeah, for real. Showing him the new thing.
Man. With the Recaros.
Yep. So yeah, engine bay, definitely a little dirty.
Oh yeah,
Just a tad dirty.
hey, I know a guy though.
I know a guy. And then interior is pretty clean. I vacuumed it for like 3 hours the other day, but
I know a guy.
Sanitize and steam clean and all
Steam
that.
clean, extract.
And it's easy because it's a wrap, you know.
Okay.
This thing will be going to SR Garage very, very shortly.
Very soon.
Get it all buttered up. Good single cab. The slicks. You guys follow me. You probably follow Cletus. He has a single cab giveaway going on right now that I definitely entered. So Fingers crossed I win that damn thing. It runs 9s. GMC, not the Ford. I like these single cabs. Good Elko. Super clean. Good ass body.
Victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase is trademark, not that tradition, Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.